Now, actually, let's go to the the last feature which we created. Now, before we even check if we have some of the semicolon hiding somewhere, let's first and foremost filter this value count to see if there is any of the rules are counting another number rather than 16. So you click on, or you right click on your mouse or mouse pad, and then you scroll down to create a filter, and you have it there. Okay, so here is a filter. Click on it and then scroll down and see. Wow, okay. So now you see some of the rows are reading 15 and some are reading 16. But our perfect number is supposed to be 16. So I will uncheck the 16. So I will see those stubborn rows that are still maintaining 15. Okay. All right. So from here, you scroll down and then, okay, let's see. Okay. So there are some issues, or there may be some issues with these 15 or these 5 rows which are showing 15. Now we can now use our command F or control F to find where those semicolons are hiding. Here you are. So these are the guys that are making our data not read uh, 16, or our rows not read 16. So quickly, this is what you do. You see that indeed the last column, which is the P column, all the cells in there are empty. The values in here are empty, which means that the other data part of the data set which do not show 15, they have values in them. So how do we go about it? If you click on the highlighted cell, this one, green, the green one, you will see that the content in there shows there are two separate values which have been separated by a semicolon. But all these two values are in the same box. So we have to separate it. But if you separate it, the next value or the other value will come into this cell and overwrite whatever you have in this cell. So you have to create a space here in order that when you separate this file, it will when you separate this text, it will be able to come in here without overwriting what is there. What I mean by overwrite is that it will remove the value over there and fill it with the value that you separated. So what I would do, the simplest method I know, is to select these 3 cells and then use Control X, X for xylophone. Now, come to the second cell after the one that is highlighted. So 1 and 2, click on it and then use Control V to paste. Okay, so you can see that I've shifted the 3 cells that I cut to go all the way to cover under the P column. So this cell is actually empty. When you click on it and you go here, you'll see that the cell is empty. Now click on the highlighted one, which is containing the file, the text that has to be separated. Go to data and then come down to split the text to column. Now choose a separator which is semicolon, and then boom, you have it separated perfectly. Now if you go here, you see it is reading 16. So in the same manner, we do all the rest. So let me go through, you follow. I highlight these 4. I cut, and then I come to the second cell, I paste here. So here you are. Now in the next video, I will do the rest.